Hello there, my name is Rob. I'm one of the Porsche pros here at Porsche Centre Chester. There's nothing worse than being a bright sunny day outside and you want to jump in your car, you push the button on the key and nothing happens. You try again and you look at your key, you see no red flashing light and your key's flat. Well, let's find out how easy it is to change the battery just in the new style key. So as you can see, I have the newer style Porsche key here, and it signifies, you can see it's a little bit of a different style to the previous key. I've taken the bundle of keys just off the back just to make it a little bit easier, and what we can do is turn it over, and first of all we need to remove this bit here. This is where the emergency key blade is, so gently push down and slide out and that just comes out. And then what we're going to do is we need to remove the key shells, so these just gently pull apart, so just gently pull out that side, and then the same with this side, gently, a little bit of gentle force just to the side, and then slide down. There's a little tab just at the back and a couple just in here as well. Leave those to the sides. Under here is where the battery is. Then using your emergency key, just gently lay that in there like that, and then just twist it round to the left, or my left. And then with you now, just gently lift it up. And under here is where the battery is. This is a Panasonic CR2032. To take the battery out, just literally flip the key over, and you can see it rests just inside there. When you're putting the battery back in, it's positive side up. That just gently sits in there. Get the battery cover and just gently lay that down in there. The little tracks go in either side, and then when you push that down, just give that a little twist. It is a little bit stiff. That's obviously just because of the water sealing. What you can do is just use the emergency key again, slide that in there and give that a gentle twist. You know it's fully shut as that channel there is all in line, as that is where that key just gently sits in. Next, what we're going to do is put the key covers back on. There is a little bit of difference with the key cover. You see there's a little lip just here, and there isn't on this one. So using the one with the little lip first, as you can see they will only go on one way, and that's this side. Turn the key over, and using the little tang at the back, slide that in, and then just gently push, and you'll hear a little clip. Exactly the same with the other side. Slide that in just like so, push that together, clip, and you can see that's all back together. The emergency key just literally slides down in there like that. And then with this one, if you just want to test it, push the lock or unlock buttons, and you can see around the Porsche shield that lights up red for you, and that shows it's all working.